Hello everyone, my name is Aryan and welcome back to Inside Out. Today I'm here and I'm gonna make oobleck, so I'll also teach you how to make it. So let's get started. Alright, so the ingredients you'll need to make oobleck, you'll need, cornstarch, you'll need some water, a spoon, and food coloring. So first what you'll want to do is you want to get your water. Was the cornstarch or water first? I think it is water. So let's just pour a bit of water. Like at least pour till the water like that. Maybe a bit more. Okay, that's enough. Then with your cornstarch on your spoon, open your cornstarch. Take the lid off. You want to get, 1 scoop cornstarch and add it to your water. Yeah. Then you will want to mix it. For that, I'll need another spoon, so I'll be right back. So here I have the food coloring and another spoon. So what you'll want to do now is mix it. This will start to get a bit hard. And then mix it. I think we need some more. Okay, I'm gonna quickly start mixing. Mix. Keep mixing. I was supposed to put food coloring, but I forgot. So you can choose any food coloring. I'm gonna choose green since my favorite color is green. You want to pour at least let's see. 1, 2, 3. You don't really need food coloring, it's optional. So then you want to put the lid back on, and then you want to keep mixing. It's really hard, because oobleck's hard when you press it, it's hard, and when you let it go, it's like a liquid. So as you can see here, it's pretty hard. And at the end, I might need to use my hands a bit. Oh wow, oobleck is hard. I think I gave a bit too much water. So you'll just want to keep mixing. I'll see you when it's done, because this may take some time.
A few hours later.
We are now done mixing it. You'll need to use your hands, so this is going to get pretty messy. Look at this. So if I take some, it's a bit hard. If I let it go, it'll become loose. It'll become hard. It's pretty cool, and it's very satisfying. So you can make it at home very easy. And it's when you I don't know how to say it. Yeah, so when you yeah, so when you tap it with it like this, it doesn't really get on your hand. Like you can see here. I don't take your camera. Let me put the camera down. You see here. You could it just a bit came on. It's hard. There. If I try to scoop it up. Look at this. Liquid. When I try to scoop it up, this is liquid, but then it turns hard. Pretty cool. It won't come out, even though as hard as you push it, it will still stay as solid. So this is about when you squish it, it's a solid, and then when you let it loose, it's a liquid. It's a fun fact about it. So when you can make this at home, very easy. You just need some cornstarch, food coloring if you want, water, and that's pretty much all. And of course a spoon. I mean, you could do it without a spoon, but it'll get very messy. Like me, what I'm doing. I like to get messy. So yeah, that's pretty much how you make your own oobleck at home. Bye for now. Hope you liked it, and if you liked it, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel down below. Bye for now. Inside Out, signing off.